time in my first months, they told me sell 5 or get another job literally changed the course of my entire life. I would give so many great moments away to keep that one if I had to. No other path or career would give me the income I have now, not even pro sports, which I thought then was the ultimate dream. When I had to sleep in my car with my dog, I learned that once I had money, I would never let it go. That lesson taught me to spend all my extra cash on assets, stuff that would pay me even if it didn't make me look good on Friday nights. That is how I bought my beach house, how I buy more rentals now than ever, how I give my kids a dream life. When I had to knock doors with holes in my shoes, I learned that gear doesn't matter, but that showing up every day does, regardless of how I feel.